I wanted to show you the changes of the house so far. New floorboards, Tudor panelling on the walls, a complete internal restructure with a double height banqueting hall, a tiny little balustrade, a new kitchen floor, a miniature kitchen fireplace, stone Tudor ovens, a place left ready for the bed, Tudor beams on the walls, a stag, and not forgetting the brand new stone leaded windows, new tiles on the roof complete with moss, new chimney stacks and brickwork, and a tiny front door.